Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I will discuss that how to transfer WhatsApp data from one iPhone to another iPhone without restoring a backup. I will be transferring the data from this old iPhone to this new iPhone. Now go to the WhatsApp on the phone from which you're going to transfer the data, and go to Settings. Now go to Chats. Here select the option Transfer Chats to iPhone, so here it says transfer your chat history privately, and have your most up-to-date messages without using iCloud. Certain device permissions are needed to connect to your new device, so tap Start here. So here you have to scan a QR code. So first it says download the WhatsApp message on your new phone. I have already downloaded WhatsApp on this phone, so the second option says register with the same phone number. Make sure to transfer the SIM card or the IM to the new phone, so now tap Agree and Continue. Here select your country, provide your phone number and tap Next. It will take a few seconds here to retrieve your credentials. Just hold on. Here it says use the camera on your old phone to scan the upcoming QR code. To continue, you must accept permissions, so tap Continue here. You need to allow WhatsApp to connect to Wi-Fi network, so tap Allow. If you have already given local network permission, you can tap OK, or you can go to Settings. Make sure that the first option local network is toggled on. Now go back to WhatsApp and tap Continue. Here is the QR code that you need to scan using the old phone. Just take the phone and scan it. It will take a few seconds. Here for preparing, before it starts transferring the data, so stay on this screen and keep the phone unlocked and near each other, until the transfer is fully completed. And also your WhatsApp messaging is paused until this process is completed. You will not receive any messages during this time. It may take around 1 to 10 minutes to complete the transfer depending on the file size you have. So that's it, the transfer is now completed. Now you can go to the new phone and complete the setup. Just tap Next here, tap Continue for WhatsApp to access your contact list, enter your name and tap Done. Here you will find all your WhatsApp data from the old iPhone. This includes your images, documents and videos. Any settings that you did in the old phone remain the same as well. Now go back to your old iPhone and just tap Done, and you'll be logged out from that phone. Now you can delete the WhatsApp app from the old iPhone. All your data will be completely removed. So in this way you can transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone. If you liked the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.